Have you wanted to try storytelling with a green screen but don't have the setup for it? With your iPad and the Keynote app, you and your students can join the story on screen. Hi, I'm Megan Hoffman, a Technology Integration Specialist with the Southwest West Central Service Cooperative. Today I want to show you how you can use the Keynote app on your iPad to create interactive green screen storytelling activities with your students. First, open the Keynote app on your iPad. This also works on Mac computers, but since I do not have a Mac, I will show you the process on an iPad. Tap the plus sign at the top of the screen to begin a new Keynote presentation. Select Choose a Theme and then Basic White to get started. Add a new page by tapping the plus sign in the bottom left corner and choose a blank page. Now you are ready to set the scene. Tap on the image icon in the middle of the toolbar at the top of the screen. Select Photo or Video to insert a photo from your camera roll. Then select the picture you would like to use as your background. Resize and position the picture to cover the entire white canvas. Now it is time to add the live video component. Tap on the image icon again. Select Live Video. This adds a live video of whoever is using the iPad. You can resize and position this video. To format the live video so that it looks like a green screen video, select the live video and tap on the paintbrush in the toolbar at the top. Toggle the background switch to the right. Then tap on the screen to get rid of the format menu. Position the storyteller in the live video component. If you want to record the storyteller, swipe down from the right corner of your iPad, long press on the screen recorder and make sure the microphone is on. Then go back to the Keynote presentation. When you keep the presentation in edit mode, the storyteller can add elements into the story. For example, as I was in the woods, I saw a brown rabbit. Here the storyteller can add a rabbit by tapping the shapes icon and change the color by selecting the rabbit and adjusting the color in the formatting menu, aka the paintbrush. The rabbit or other object can be resized and repositioned. You can also add live video over another video. You can use a video from YouTube or from your camera roll. In this example, we will go through the steps to add a video from YouTube. To add a video from the web, go to YouTube and copy the web address of the video. Then, go back to the Keynote presentation. Click on the image icon in the toolbar, select Web Video, paste the address, and click Done. Add the live video component over the background video, just like you did when adding live video to a static image. You could use this as a comprehension station for students to retell a story or get their creative juices stirring while they create an original story. If you are looking for more videos to inspire you to use technology in your classroom and to explain how to do it, check out the SWWC Technology Integration Team YouTube channel. The video library continues to grow, and while you're there, remember to click subscribe. Thank you for exploring another way to use the Keynote app on your iPad. Who knows? You may inspire a student to become part of the next generation of storytellers or reporters.